We're in the single car garage now. The last few days we've installed the fire doors from the garages into the house. 60-minute rated, so that when the fire starts in the garage, it doesn't go to the house. If you look inside here, this is the plumbing panel for the master shower. The way to mount this was to put on a panel and get everything spaced out correctly. So in the meantime, our shower base has now been installed. This was custom built for us to an exact size. Has a slope to it. It's all waterproof. There's a drain down on the one side, a long trench drain, so we can install the tile right on top of this now. Powder room tiles are done. We've used a 24 by 48 tile. Big dogs, fun to work with. A mid-set mortar bed so we can get them nice and level. I'll show you what the little leveling clips look like. Great floor. Not everybody can do this, but this is a dynamite room. You'll see little strips of bad insulation up top. And underneath those, you can see the orange pipes and little red heads. Those are all of our fire sprinkler heads and all the piping that goes into the system. So the master bath floor tile, we're a little behind the cycle in one regard. Normally I would put in the tile after the drywall at that moment in time, but we've been kind of held up on some inspection cycles, so we've determined we're going to get all the floor systems in now. Big dogs in here. You'll see this again when we get the paper off near the end, but this is what's in the whole floor system. And I'll show you what the little leveling brackets are that we use to put this stuff in. Little spacer systems go underneath. You can twist this up so the four corners of the tile will all come together nice and evenly. Different locations, you'll see these little communication boxes. This is an RG6 or a coax for TV signal. These little black circle gizmos you see on the ceiling, those are speakers. There's wiring in place, so later the sound guys just cut the circle out, speaker goes in, we're good to go. There'll be a volume control here for the speakers in the master bedroom. Switches, plugs go here, but this is all throughout the house. Computer wiring, we've hardwired to various locations of the house. This is now a Cat 7. This is also quad shielded, much stronger, much faster, much better product.